Well, it's all happening. Got cookers, toolboxes, water, fucking roof basket, esky, jerry can. Got the bed in there, got the roof racks on. I had to weld them up because when I went to Alice Springs they cracked. Put a bunch of stickers on. Starting to put stuff in here. Got a bunch of good stuff under there.
I did what I could, but there's... I don't know.
It's Hunter. Doing a video thing. Got more stickers. Got that. Don't. Boss lent me CB. So yeah, we're getting it happening.